Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to the Sendinblue service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Sendinblue, you can add new contacts, set up mailing lists for them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to setting. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point, you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Sendinblue as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add/update contact. At this stage, you need to connect your Sendinblue account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account's Sendinblue. Then go to Profile Settings. SMTP API. Click Create a new API key. Think of a name for it. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a list in which new contacts will be created or updated with each new order from Ecwid. Now, you see the Sendinblue fields for creating a new contact. You can assign variables from Ecwid to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Sendinblue as new contacts for each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Sendinblue. After successful sending, go to Sendinblue and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Sendinblue data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.